Oh! Phooey! You know, I'd be so into maths if this assignment wasn't so hard. Oh, I think I've got it.
Tell me, what's the answer?
Barry, you may be my maths partner, but you've got to work this problem out yourself.
Oh, great. So, are you watching the Gibson Bunch later?
Oh, the last episode was a total cliffhanger. Is Mackie going to leave or not?
Oh, she does. It's so sad, but kind of funny too.
No way!
Huh? What are you two no-waying about?
Mackie actually leaves the Gibson Bunch.
What? Spoiler alert! What did you tell me that for? We were going to watch it together, remember?
Barry, I gotta go. I think I did something wrong, but I'm not sure what it is. Why is Nessa angry? She was going to find out the ending anyway. I wonder if this kind of thing has ever happened in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! Hi, Uli Palm.
Hey, Alva. Mo.
Good book?
Yes, The Great Blobos of Gizmo. Everyone's reading it.
Everyone?
Sure. It's the Great Gizmo Breezy Read. The day all the Ulis come out into the fresh air and read the same book. Then talk about it.
Oh, it's like my mom's book club.
I have just scanned the book and can tell you precisely what happens if you wish. Spoiler alert! No way, Mo! I want to find out the ending by reading it myself, not someone telling me.
Oh, maybe that's how Nessa felt.
This has given me a great idea for how to ruin their breezy read.
Ooh, tell me more.
We tell everyone the ending before they've read it.
I can't wait to see their uli faces. Okay, let's see.
I sure could get used to this reading outdoors.
Would you like to know the ending?
You know, Mo, I'm going to keep going. I want the ending to be a surprise. Hey, I'm reading a book about blobos. So the blobos took to the air, glowing as bright as the moon stars.
Guess how the Great Blobos of Gizmo ends?
Huh?
The Great Blobo was crowned leader of all blobos throughout the land of Gizmo.
What? Why did you tell me the ending?
Just helping out. Happy breezy read.
Let's help another Uli.
What's wrong, Uli Palm?
Skeetha told me the end of the story.
He spoiled it with a spoiler.
And then he said he and Humblebluff were going to spoil it for the rest of the Ulis as well.
Uh-oh.
Alva, I'm going to have a walk through the park to calm down.
Okay, Palm. Oh, dear. Uli Palm feels terrible.
Affirmative, Alva.
We've got to stop the trolls. Come on, let's go.
Want to hear the ending? Well, here it is.
The Great Blobo was crowned leader of all blobos throughout the land of Gizmo.
Oh.
The end.
Uli Bean,
Hey, Alva. Hi, Mo.
watch out for the trolls. They're spoiling the book by revealing the ending.
Oh, no. Aha. I'll never hear them wearing my earbobs.
Good plan.
Huh?
Ah, well, that's just great. Pah! Alva, She is always spoiling our fun.